why we're introducing a whole new line of espresso drinks from McCafe. Cafe quality from beans to espresso machines.
This month at DQ, we're calling all chocolate cake lovers.
Warning for the following counties: Oklahoma County, Logan County, Payne County, and the Canadian County. Take cover now, seek into an underground shelter. And don't forget to bring food and water. If you see any damages, call the Oklahoma State National Weather Service at 1-888-5959. Thank you for listening to this message. Stay tuned for further information.
About our indulgent best chocolate cake blizzard.
It's chocolatey.
Velvety. Yes, it is rich. Much like my phone voice.
The new DQ Best Chocolate Cake Blizzard and Molten Lava Cake a la mode.
Welcome to Dairy Queen.